Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a video that was kind of requested for me to do, and I searched YouTube for this and I couldn't find actually a lot of tutorials on this, and it's actually how to set up an Elgato. Now I did do a video a while back about how to set up a capture card, but that was when I had a different capture card. So now I have an Elgato HD60, and so I'm going to be showing you guys actually how to set it up on your Xbox One. Sadly, I don't have a PS4, so I can't show you how to do it on that. And then I'll head over to the actual Elgato software, and I'll run you through a couple quick settings just to get you guys all set and get your recordings up and going. So I've been using an Elgato for a while now. I've been recording it through my laptop right there. It's been awesome. The quality's insane. I've been doing some 720p, 60 FPS live streams, but for recordings it's usually like 1080p 30. I don't want to go too big on the file size, so I don't usually do 1080p 60. I don't think that boost in frame rate is actually worth it. But yeah, let's get into actually how to set this thing up, because it's not that difficult, and once you get the hang of it, you leave it and you're done. You never have to set it up again. Okay guys, so now I'm going to actually go over how you set up the Elgato itself. So every Elgato is going to come with an HDMI cable. That's this cable you see right here. That's the one that came with it. And also a USB cable that plugs into the HDMI in part of it right here. So this is going to take your signal basically and transfer that into your laptop via USB. My USB cable is on the floor right here, but that should go into your laptop. I'll show you that later. So this is the HDMI out that goes into your back of your monitor. I have an Acer monitor, as you can see here. This cable is the HDMI in port. This actually goes into your Xbox, so I'll show you right here. That cable going to the HDMI in is connected to the Xbox itself right there. So that Xbox is leading into here. Plug in your USB cable right next to it right here. Oh, and by the way, all Elgatos need power, so that's why you're actually plugging the USB cable into your laptop to give it some power. It doesn't run off batteries or anything. Take your other HDMI cable, plug it into the HDMI out. As you can see right here, this is the side with no other ports. And that will go into the back of your monitor. So, and then you're going to take this USB cable with my mouse, and you're going to plug that into your laptop and power up your laptop, and that's going to give this thing some power. As you can see, the lights turn on, the red, whatever, and then I'll show you my Xbox turning on. Okay guys, so as you can see, once it's plugged in, the Elgato's all powered up. It's connected to my monitor, so this is my Xbox turned on. As you can see, it's transferring the signal over in real time. I forget what the millisecond delay is. I think it's between, maybe it's like 6 to 10 or something like that. I know the newer models, like the S model, is quicker with the latency and stuff like that, but it's all set up now. Let me just walk you through the software. Guys, so this is going to be the main interface of the Elgato software. I'm screen recording off OBS right now with my microphone. As you can see, my microphone, well, this is my microphone in my computer, so it's picking up my voice here. But the Elgato software is pretty straightforward to use. You can go live with it too. I use OBS to go live just because I can have integrated, what is it called? Twitch alerts and stuff like that. Makes it really nice. So basically, you come up here, go to settings. Now, here are a lot of settings that are pretty important to pay attention to. Obviously, Xbox One, HDMI input, HDMI audio. Just keep this pretty standard. No one usually uses analog audio. I've never seen that. Color range. Click expanded. I don't know why that wasn't selected. Back here. So this is where you choose your resolution. I have mine on 720p and allow 60 FPS, so I can get that 60 FPS. And also just the quality. This is going to vary. Or this is going to produce a varying file size. The better quality you have, the larger the file size is going to be. So I have mine a little under better. The quality still looks great. Picture quality, you can adjust these. I try not to, just because I don't want to make the picture look completely crazy. I can just audio gain, straightforward. Profiles, never used it, and then advanced, never used it. Elgato also has an editing tab. I've never used this, but this is where you can go back and watch all your clips. And if you want to edit within the application, you can do so. Select this gear right here to actually save files and change the location to where you're saving your files. You also edit scenes, add webcams, stuff like that. Record button to start recording. It'll show you how long you're recording, how much free storage you have, whether you want to mute or unmute yourself. And then you can click this for commentary. You can also adjust what scene you want. It's all this different kind of stuff. It's pretty cool for the most part. But I used to use the standard one because I'm streaming in OBS. And I want to keep everything pretty basic. And rename your captures, stuff like that. Here the audio, I like to keep my microphone around 53 and then the game audio slightly more. And then I like to reduce the audio or the game sound audio when I'm actually speaking. Makes it really easy so I don't have to edit that out. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found this useful. Guys, leave a comment down below if you found this useful and any future video suggestions you would like me to make. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Like the video. We appreciate all that. Go check out Like Me Easy podcast if you haven't already. Every sub, I'll be doing shout outs for them. Stop zooming in. And I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.